Are you taking the Master Plumbing Licensure exam? Welcome to our Master Plumbing Definition of Terms Part 2. In this video we will be defining the terms used in the plumbing code and practice starting from letters D to J. If you haven't finished Part 1, the link is on the description box. Are you ready? Let's start.
Dead end. The extended portion of a pipe that is closed at one end to which no connections are made on the extended portion, thus permitting the stagnation of liquid or air therein. Dead end.
Developed length. The length of a pipe along its centerline and fittings. Developed length.
Diameter. Unless specifically stated, the term diameter is the nominal diameter as designated commercially. ID denotes inside diameter of pipe and OD denotes outside diameter of tube. Diameter.
Domestic sewage. The liquid and water home waste derived from the ordinary living processes, free from industrial wastes and of such character that permits satisfactory disposal without special treatment. It is discharged into the public sewer or into a private sewage disposal system. Domestic sewage.
Double bend fitting. Pipe fitting with adjacent reverse bends and shaped like the letter S, double bend fitting.
Double offset. The two offsets in succession or in series such that the center lines of the outside ends are in the same straight line. Double offset.
Downspout. The rain leader from the roof to the building storm drain, combined building sewer, or other means of disposal located outside of the building. Also known as conductor and leader. Downspout.
Drain. It is a pipe which carries ground and surface waters, storm water or wastewater into a building drainage system. Drain.
Drainage system. It includes all the piping within public or private premises which convey sewage or other liquid wastes to a legal point of disposal, but does not include the mains of a public sewer system or a public sewage treatment or disposal plant. Drainage system.
Dry vent. It is a vent that does not carry liquid or waterborne wastes. Dry vent.
Dual vent. It is also known as unit vent. An arrangement of venting so installed that one vent pipe will serve to traps. Dual vent.
Durham system. It is a term used to describe soil or waste system where all pipings are threaded pipe, tubing, or other such rigid construction using recessed drainage fittings to correspond to the types of piping. Durham system.
Effective opening. The minimum cross-sectional area at the point of water supply discharge measured or expressed in terms of diameter of a circle, or if the opening is not circular of the equivalent cross-sectional area. Effective opening.
Existing work. The term used to the ongoing installation of the plumbing system or any part thereof which has been installed prior to the effectivity of this code. Existing work.
Faucet. It is a valve located at the end of a water pipe through of which water can be drawn from or held within the pipe. Faucet.
Ferrule. A metallic sleeve, caulked or joined to an opening in a pipe into which a plug is screwed that can be removed for cleaning or examining the interior of the pipe. Ferrule.
Fixture. A receptacle other than a trap attached to a plumbing system in which water or wastes may be collected or retained for ultimate discharged into the plumbing system. Fixture.
Fixture branch. The water supply pipe between the fixture supply pipe and the water distribution pipe. Fixture branch.
Fixture drain. The drain pipe from the trap of a fixture to the junction of that drain with any other drain pipe. Fixture drain.
Fixture supply. A water supply pipe connecting the fixture with the fixture branch. Fixture supply.
Fixture unit. An arbitrary quantity in terms of which the load producing effects or water requirements on the plumbing system of different kinds of plumbing fixtures are expressed in some arbitrarily chosen scale. One fixture unit is equivalent to a rate flow at 28.3 liters per minute or 1 cubic foot per minute. Fixture unit.
Flood level. The level in a fixture at which water begins to overflow over the top or rim of the fixture. Flood level.
Flood level rim. The top edge of a receptacle from where water overflows over the flood level rim.
Flooded. A fixture is flooded when the liquid therein rises to the flood level rim. Flooded.
Flush tank. A tank located above or integral with water closet, urinal or similar fixtures for flushing or removing excrements in the fixture. Flush tank.
Flush valve. A device located at the bottom of the tank for the purpose of flushing water closet and similar fixtures. Flush valve.
Flushometer tank. I is integrated within an air accumulator vessel which is designed to discharge a predetermined quantity of water into fixtures for flushing purposes. Flushometer tank.
Flushometer valve. It is a device which discharges a predetermined quantity of water into fixtures for flushing purposes and is actuated by direct water pressure. Flushometer valve.
Gang or group shower. 2 or more showers in a common area. Gang or group shower.
Gate valve. A valve in which the flow of water is cut off by means of a circular disc fitted against machine-smooth faces, at odd angles to the direction of the flow. The disc is raised or lowered by means of a threaded stern connected to the handle of the valve. The opening in the valve is usually as large as the full bore of the pipe. Gate valve.
Globe valve. It is a valve in which the flow of fluid is cut off by means of a circular disc that fits over and against the horizontal valve seat. The movement of the plane of disc is parallel to the normal direction of flow of water through the orifice, resulting to a tortuous passage, which offers a high pressure loss. Globe valve.
Goose neck. It is a return bend of small-sized pipe, one end of which is about 30 centimeters long and the other end is about 7.5 centimeters long. It is commonly used as a faucet for a pantry sink. The term also means the flexible tubing connection between a service pipe and water main. Goose neck.
Grade. The slope or fall of a line of pipe with reference to a horizontal plane. In drainage, it is usually expressed as the fall in centimeters per meter or percentage slope of pipe. Grade.
Grease interceptor. An interceptor of at least 3 cubic meters capacity to serve one or more fixtures and which is remotely located. Grease interceptor.
Grease trap. It is a device designed to retain grease from 1 to a maximum of 4 fixtures. Grease trap.
Groundwater. The water that stands in or passes through the ground. It is the water present beneath the Earth's surface. Groundwater.
Group vent. It is a branch vent that performs its functions for 2 or more traps. Group vent.
Hangers. These are devices used for securing and holding pipes and fixtures to walls, ceilings, floors, or structural members. Hangers.
High hazard. Or also known as contamination. An impairment of the quality of potable water which creates an actual hazard to the public health through poisoning or spread of disease by sewage, industrial fluids, or waste. High hazard.
Horizontal branch. It is a drain pipe extending laterally from a solid or waste stack or building drain with or without vertical sections or branches, which receives the discharge from one or more fixture drains and conducts it to the soil or waste stack or the building drain. Horizontal branch.
Horizontal pipes. Referred to any pipe or fitting installed in a horizontal position or which forms an angle of not more than 45 degrees with the horizontal plane. Horizontal pipes.
House drain. That part of the lowest horizontal piping of a plumbing system which receives the discharges from soil, waste, and other drainage pipes inside of a building and conveys it to the house sewer outside of the building. House drain.
House sewer. That part of a plumbing system extending from the house drain at a point 60 centimeters from the outside face of the foundation wall of a building to the junction with the street sewer or to any point of discharge, and conveying the drainage of one building site. House sewer.
House storm sewer. The pipeline from the building to the public or street storm drainage system. House storm sewer.
Hubless pipes. These are cast iron soil pipes with plain ends connected together with bolted stainless steel bands and neoprene gaskets. Hubless pipes.
Indirect waste pipe. It is a pipe that does not connect directly with the drainage system but conveys liquid waste by discharging into a plumbing fixture, interceptor or receptacle directly connected to the drainage system. Indirect waste pipe.
Individual vent. A pipe installed to vent a fixture trap and which connects with the vent system above the fixture served or terminates in the open air. Individual vent.
Industrial waste. Refers to any and all liquid or water-borne waste from industrial or commercial processes, except domestic sewage. Industrial waste.
Insanitary. All condition contrary to the sanitary principles or injurious to health. Insanitary.
Interceptor. Refers to a device designed and installed to separate and retain deleterious, hazardous or undesirable matters from normal wastes and permits normal sewage or liquid waste to discharge into the disposal terminal by gravity. It is also known as clarifier. Interceptor.
Invert. This is the lowest portion of the interior part of any pipe or conduit that is not vertical. Invert.
Journeyman. A plumber who has completed apprenticeship requirements. Journeyman.
Hey. That's it. How about another break? Plumbing terms starting in letters L, M, N, O, and P are on part 3.
Don't forget to hit like, click subscribe and ring that notification bell to be updated for more review sessions. Good luck on your exam.